What's poppin', everybody? Today I'm back. As you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are dyeing my hair impulsively because I don't know why, if it's just me, but I always I get really tired of the way I look. So I was like, what can I change in my life? Fuck it, I'll just dye my hair. We're gonna go to Sally's right now to go get some hair dye, and then we're going to go get a little bev. Here's my little Sally's bag. She came out to like $100. Like, what the fuck? 107.01. All right, so I'm gonna get my drink and then I'll talk to you guys once I get home. So the colors that I'm gonna be using today are from Arctic Fox mostly. We have Purple Rain, which is gonna be our dark purple. We also have some of the Arctic Fox in Girls Night, which is a nice lavender. And then I thought I might run out of the lavender, and these were the only two that they had. So we also have this one. I don't even know how to say it. It's Iro. This one was the most expensive dye that we had, so I might go return those, but they were like $20 each. I don't know how good they are. So what I'm going for today is a half and half dye, but instead of doing like the vertical half and half like I've done before, I'm gonna do half horizontally. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do like 2 money strips of lavender. I'm gonna do the lavender first and then the purple after, because the lavender is lighter, so it'll probably have to sit in my hair a little bit longer. I just roughly separated it half and half. Since it's horizontal and not vertical, you don't really need to do it like perfectly, or I'm hoping you don't have to do it perfectly because I've never done this. Now this is all gonna be lavender. I'm also gonna mix the hair dye with a little bit of conditioner. This is just some Garnier conditioner. I stole it from my dad because the conditioner I use is low-key expensive, so I'm not gonna waste it. Now we're gonna mix it up. We're about halfway done. I'm a little scared because the dye is really light and I feel like mixing it with the conditioner kind of diluted it a little bit too much, but we're just gonna leave it in for a couple hours and hopefully it actually dyes my hair. Some of the parts are still looking a little blonde. I'm so dumb. I'm like, some of the parts are still looking a little blonde when it's literally been in my hair for like 5 minutes. It's a really pretty lavender, so hopefully it works out. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side and then I'll hit you guys back up. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. So first we have this section separated because I'm gonna wait to see if I want to do the little lavender like money strips to frame my face, and then we have some sections going on here. This is gonna be the darker purple and then this is gonna be the lavender. We're gonna go ahead and get the Arctic Fox and just mix it with a little bit of conditioner again. Alright, so for the rest of my hair, I just went with the Purple Rain, and pretty much, as you guys can see, I don't really use like a brush or anything. I feel like it's easier just for me to go in like with my hands and just like massage the dye into my hair. I go right from the roots and then all the way down. This purple is actually like, it looks a lot darker on my hair right now than like when I wash it out, but there I am, just making sure to go through and get all my little hairs, and then I just put it in a little bun and clipped it. I did it like half and half, so it's pretty even with the dye and everything, and I actually ended up using the full 8-ounce bottle. So yeah, I don't know why I used the same amount for the lavender and it actually ended up being fine. And then I saved these strips for last, but if you're like positive that you're doing money strips, then I recommend doing it when you first do the lavender. I just wasn't sure if I wanted it or not, so that's why I waited till the end and they actually like came out a little bit too light, so I do have to go do that again. But yeah, there we go. I just put them all in little buns and then capped my hair after, and I actually let this sit in for like 2.5 hours. So yeah, didn't take too long. Now we're gonna go ahead and cap the rest of my head. I'm gonna let this sit for like an hour and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower. I left the down probably for about 2 hours. That's what we're looking like. I can kind of already tell that I need to go in with the lavender, but I'll probably do that again like next week or something because I'm kind of tired right now. What do you think? What do you think? He thinks it looks good. I can already tell that the lavender really picked up well for the little bottom layer, and the dark purple, of course, because it's dark, it really held well. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and then I'll probably curl it. I'm super excited to see how this comes out. Alright guys, so we're back. It's actually the next morning because last night I finished up everything kind of at around 10ish and a bitch was tired. So that's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna just sleep and then the next morning we'll go ahead and do a little get ready with me. How do I feel about the purple? I haven't really seen its full potential just because last night when I did it, I didn't have my makeup done and I was looking like all tired and everything, so I was like, it could look better, you know what I mean? Am I in love with it? Honestly, right now, I'm not too sure about it. It's like 50-50, but I feel like it does look better than how my blonde was looking because my blonde was like growing out and it was just looking super gross. So yeah. Today, I have some errands to run. I'm gonna go get my toes done because I need a pedicure so bad. And then I'm going to go to Target to get some stuff. And I think I'm gonna go to the beach today. So I'm gonna do like a light makeup because I wanna take some cute pictures. So I still have to have a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna try to do my makeup kind of fast because right now it's like 9:30. And my nail appointment is at 10:30, so I'm a little rushing. Last night I had a dream that all my hair fell out. Well, it wasn't really like falling out. It was weird because I had like tried to put it in a rubber band. Dude, you guys, I have really weird dreams. But I tried to like put my hair in a ponytail and then like the rubber band was actually like had blades inside of it, and then it literally like cut off all my hair, and then I woke up. I don't know what that means, but I feel like it doesn't mean anything good, so I'm scared. I'm so happy because all the tracksuits from the last order are finally getting shipped out. This last shipment will be on Monday, and then all of them are out. I think I just have like a couple pinks left, so if you guys are still waiting for yours, it's because the pink ones are coming back right now. But yeah, I'm really happy. This definitely took a lot longer than I thought it would take, but pretty much it was because literally I dropped them on July 17th, right? My COVID test came back and it was positive, so I literally had to stop everything for 2 weeks and wait until I was tested negative. So that kind of put everything on pause, but I'm really excited for my fall collection. We're still doing tracksuits, but we're having a little bit different. And I think you guys are really gonna love them. So that should be coming. Should be around the middle of September. That's what I'm thinking. So y'all better be ready for that because it's gonna be good. Okay, so a lot of people lately have been asking me what my current lip combo is, and pretty much what I do is I line my lips everywhere using my NYX liner in Cocoa, or my other favorite one is also in brown. I like a really dark lip liner just because it gives everything like a nice shadow. I don't really like her anymore, but Jenny69, when I first started watching makeup videos, she said to always use a lip liner that's darker than your nipple, and I've lived by that. Like, she doesn't really say a lot of prolific things, but that was one of them. I'm gonna be using MAC Honey Love. This is a little lipstick, and then I'm gonna put this one over it. And sometimes I'll leave it like this, but lately I've been going in with some concealer just to make it a little bit lighter. on TikTok and Instagram. Her username is Anastasia Versace. I was watching one of her videos and she said that that's her favorite thing to do is put concealer and then she gets like a perfect nude, and I was like, hold on, I have to try it. And I feel like she really did something there. And since we did the dark liner, it already has like a nice shadow. And this makes your lips look so much bigger. A lot of people lately have been asking me if I got more filler and whatnot, and the answer is no, I haven't. The last time I got my lips done was in like June, but I don't know why lately they've been looking a little more filled. For a gloss, if I decide I want gloss, I either go on with MAC Oyster Girl, or lately I've just been using a clear gloss. It's just the Kylie clear gloss, but you could use like a really anyone. Alright you guys, that was about it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the purple, but be honest though, like if it looks bad, go ahead and tell me, but not like in a mean way, because you know I'm a little sensitive. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.